Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys take advantage of our free consultation that we offer, where you can send me a few pictures of your property and get your own personalized video presentation with a bunch of ideas on how to get the most bang for your buck out of your landscape lighting design. So to get that, go and either check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me over the dump trucks and fire trucks and everything, but I wanted to explain another thing why it's good to go and test those lights and check things the night before. We decided to do a couple featured trees on the property. So we got two beautiful palms right in the front. We chose to put two lights on each of them so that we could have it look good for the homeowners from the house side, as well as have it lit up from the street. And a lot of times that's what you want to do. If you have a really key feature that you really want to stand out, use more than one light. It doesn't hurt to do that. But the one thing we did find is last night, even after that first night, we kind of tested out. We had a pretty good idea of where we were going to throw that light, but it wasn't until we got everything hooked up and last night we found that the light was only about a foot too close to the tree, and what it was doing is it was putting most of the light on the base of the trunk and it wasn't putting enough to the top. And just moving it back, I would say 6 to 8 inches made all the difference, because now we had a more subtle light on the trunk and we were casting a lot more light up into the giant palm tree leaves. So it doesn't matter how many lights you put in or how good you think you are at this. If you're not testing it at night, checking things out, use that battery pack to go and play around, you're gonna miss some things and you're not gonna get the full effect. So just by doing some of those things, even if it's your first time doing it, you can really install lights just like a professional landscaper or contractor would do. But in a lot of cases even better, because most of those guys don't even come back and check their lights at night. They just put them in, get out, and it's all done. And I think it's just ego if you don't test those lights first, because people are paying a lot of money for these lights, and especially if you're getting a good quality one that you don't want to have to redo, which so many of you guys have told me you just want to do this once in your lifetime. Well, that's how you go do it. Test them out so you can make sure you're getting the right effect. Go and check them out at night. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.